Steve here, Shen I'm at the Ripsaw style tanks again. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make lugs, a tread pattern on the tracks here. I ordered this rubber U channel stuff off Amazon. I'll link it below in my video description. And take a look at it right here. Shaped like this. Feels like nice rubber. I'm going to have to cut it probably straight down the middle or down the side, and I'll cut lugs and then I'm gonna CA glue them on. But first you want to clean your tracks with rubbing alcohol or like Glass Plus or something with a rag here. I'm just gonna use this old sock and I'll show you how to do that next. Alright guys, before I show you how to cut this rubber U channel stuff up to make the track lugs, I'm just going to show you real quick. I'm going to use this alcohol. Could use Windex also. Spray a rag. This is an old sock. And you just want to clean your tracks. Wipe them down really good. You can see all the dirt that came off. Just like that. I'm just going to show you on the one here real quick, because I'm going to do one track at a time. Spray a little more on. You got to make sure you clean these good or the CA won't stick when you super glue the treads on. And you're just going to let that dry. I'm going to try to figure out and show you guys how I'm going to cut this up and glue it on. So we'll do that next. I cut the U channel directly down the center like this. Then I put it on the ruler and I cut this thick end off with the razor knife. And then I also cut a little thin side off the opposite side that the thick side was on. And you could see right there how thin they are. They're a little thinner so they fit on the tracks. So that's what I did. I'm gonna get my ruler and place it like this, and I'm just gonna cut this end off. Just like that. Now I have this, the thin layer of the tread here. I'll trim this up a little bit. You see that? And then I'll have to cut these into sections to glue on. Here's one of the track pads. I made a template, so I just lay it on top like this really quick. And then I cut it like that. And that's how I'm doing it. The way you gotta glue these on, the one side's thicker a little bit when you cut it off from the U channel, so I'm gonna put the thicker side facing forward like that on the tracks. You want to use CA glue, and what I'm gonna use here is this this is Loctite Professional. Now remember, we cleaned all the track off with alcohol or Windex, and I cleaned all the backs of these off with the alcohol also. So I'm gonna glue these on. Right now, I'm gonna put, like I said, the thicker side's gonna go forward. We'll just try this out real quick here. Whoa, I think I put a little bit too much. I guess it doesn't matter what you do. They don't have to be perfect. I don't know how much glue to use on them. I guess more glue's better than less. Skip one. They don't have to be on perfect. I think I'm putting too much glue, but put your finger under it, press it down and hold it. Alright, there's what it looks like. They don't have to be perfect. I'm going to do the rest of them and I'll show you the track. Well, here it is, guys. I got one side done. I'm not going to lie to you, it's a pain in the butt. You get glue all over your hands. Well, guys, I just finished the second track. Here it is. It's all done. This one here I accidentally glued on a little crooked, but it don't matter. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to just try it. Alright, now I'm going to test it on the ground here, see how it sounds. Actually sounds smooth, you don't even hardly notice it. I have my steering EPA low so it turns slow. If I turn this up, because I put the 1060 ESCs they were in here, the clone ones. If I turn that up, see, you'll get faster steering. Well, guys, looks like the modified tracks run pretty smooth. Looks like there'll be no problem with it. It's just a pain in the butt to do. But if you want to do it to yours, go right ahead. It's time consuming, but I think it'll be worth it. Especially if you buy another set of tracks and maybe you use these tracks that you mod like for off-road only or in the snow. That's probably what I'm going to do. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped some of you guys out there. Hit that bell for future videos. Leave a comment. Any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time.